Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to make hydrazine fuel and Astroneer. This is especially useful for powering your rockets to travel around planets at a much faster and more efficient way. So to begin, first of all, we'll need to gather the resources that we need, which is ammonium and hydrogen. First of all, the ammonium can be found on every planet on the surface, and it should look like these kind of yellowish crystals, which are these things right here. You can just pick out your mining tool and mine it, or using a rover and a drill. And the second ingredient, hydrogen, can be gathered from the atmospheric condenser. It can be gathered also on the first starting planet, Silva, because there is hydrogen in the atmosphere. And you can just press this button right here, the green one, and it is going to produce some hydrogen for you. Or another option to make ammonium can be using the soil centrifuge, filling it up with 2 full canisters to get 1 ammonium. Now you'll need a chemistry lab, and in here you want to place 2 ammoniums and 1 hydrogen to get hydrazine. This is pretty much all how to get hydrazine, fuel and Astroneer. So make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.